Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Libratone Zipp speaker via Bluetooth. First, power on your Zipp speaker by pressing the power button. You will notice the indicator light begin to pulse slowly. Next, press and hold the touch interface on top of the speaker for about 3 seconds. This action activates the Bluetooth pairing mode. The indicator light will then flash rapidly, signaling that your speaker is now ready to be discovered by your device. Now that your Libratone Zipp is in pairing mode, grab your smartphone or tablet. Navigate to your device's Bluetooth settings menu. Make sure that Bluetooth is turned on. You should see Libratone Zipp appear in the list of available devices. Tap on it to initiate the connection. Your device will then confirm that the pairing was successful and you are ready to enjoy your music. If you encounter any issues connecting, here are a few helpful tips. First, ensure your Libratone Zipp speaker has sufficient battery or is plugged into a power source. Try moving your device closer to the speaker, ideally within 10 meters, to ensure a strong signal. Sometimes, simply restarting both your Zipp speaker and your Bluetooth device can resolve minor glitches. If problems persist, try forgetting the Libratone Zipp in your device's Bluetooth settings and then repairing. Beyond standard Bluetooth, your Libratone Zipp offers more. Download the Libratone app for comprehensive control over your speaker's settings and sound profiles. You can even connect 2 Zipp speakers together for a rich stereo sound experience or multiple speakers for a multi-room audio setup. Remember, the Zipp also supports Wi-Fi connectivity, which often provides a higher quality audio stream than Bluetooth. Explore these options to enhance your listening.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.